Welcome back to Random Recess. It's Abed. Chris isn't here right now. I was actually editing this video and realized we don't have an intro. So we're back home in Austin, Texas. I'm actually in my living room. Side note, y'all know what these posters are about? If you do, comment down below. We absolutely love this show. Can't wait for the Netflix series. If Netflix ruins it, I think we're out. I think we're finally done with Netflix. For those of you that are new, we are Random Recess, a travel vlog. If you like travel content, you've come to the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our recesses. We'll link our playlist right at the end, so if you want to catch up on any of our Vegas, cruising, or Disney vlogs, we'll have that right at the end for you. All right, that's enough YouTube housekeeping. Let's go to the Polynesian and enjoy a meal at Ohana. And with the magic of Disney, transport us.
So here at Ohana, it's an all-you-care-to-enjoy family-style meal. They just kind of bring you all the food to the table, and you tell them what you like and what you want more of. So the menu is pretty varied. The appetizers are bread service. They have like a Hawaiian Polynesian bread with honey butter, and there's a mixed green salad, which we're not going to waste our time with. There's also pot stickers and chicken wings. And then the main course comes out in a skillet. You get teriyaki beef, you get chicken, and you get Ohana noodles as well, which are like world renowned. And spicy peel and eat shrimp. So a lot of food. And then you got to save some room for dessert because bread pudding. And again, it's all you can eat.
All right, so they brought us pineapple coconut bread and a mixed green salad, and we're just not going to touch it. I mean, okay, we did try the pineapple coconut bread. It was good. It's a little weird. The texture of the coconut in there is not something we're used to, but with the honey butter, it was good. But you don't want to fill up on bread and salad.
Yeah, that's how they get you. They put out the bread and the salad first and try to fill you up. So we're not going to play their game, okay? We know better. All right, so we're waiting for dessert to come. We just finished with our main meal. Initial thoughts, the noodles were great. The dumplings were fantastic. As for like the mains, the shrimp was pretty good. Steak was kind of hit or miss on whether or not you got like a decently cooked piece. I know that they just probably cook a lot. Some of those pieces were a little tough. And the chicken with the chimichurri was really good. That was probably my favorite meat. But yeah, love the noodles, love the pot stickers. And the chicken wings they're okay. I'm used to pluckers at home. I like hot wings, and those were more sweet and like sticky. So I didn't really care for the wings, but I did like the noodles, and I did like the dumplings and the chicken with the chimichurri sauce. Those were all really good. We got seconds on all of those. Now we're waiting for the bread pudding to see if it lives up to the hype. We've heard a lot about it.
All right, y'all, we're back in the room. I wanted to share about the bread pudding, but it was a little loud in the restaurant. There were like 2 birthdays surrounding us. We didn't want to disturb. The bread pudding is really delicious when you add all the components together. On its own, it's okay. It's like really dense. I don't know. I'm just used to like buzzword, close your ears, moist bread pudding. It was just like it was really dense. It was almost like a cake, but with the ice cream and the caramel sauce, chef's kiss. Just absolutely delicious. Still worth it. Save room because it's a huge piece that comes to your table. And if you love bread pudding, you've got to save room for that. Chris and I ate as much as we could, but yeah, overall, a great dining experience for us, and we're just so happy that we were able to get in.
Just wanted to share our thoughts on the Polynesian resort. We have never been to the Polynesian Village Resort. It was beautiful. It was gorgeous. It does, like you hear that it's going to take you out of Florida and make you feel like you're in this, Hawaiian tropical oasis. It really does. You don't feel like you're in Orlando when you're inside the Polynesian. You feel like you're in Hawaii. It's really cool. The lobby is beautiful. They have all sorts of like cool tiki statues everywhere. Really cool shops. The shopping is really neat. They have Trader Sam's, which is this really cool tiki bar that you can go to. Obviously Ohana. They have a few other spots as well. Like you can get Dole Whip with rum in the resort, which is awesome. We did not have room for that today.
We didn't really get to explore the grounds. There was a storm that came through. Typical summer Florida storm.
That's right.
So we didn't really get to see outside too much. Like we hit the monorail and we or right inside the Polynesian. But yeah, we had a great experience. And with that, that's going to do it for this recess.
All right, we'll catch you guys on the next recess. Thank you so much for tuning in, and hit that like and subscribe button for us. That really helps us out. We really appreciate all the support. And dinner tonight was fantastic. And this Disney trip overall has been fantastic. So much fun. We're so glad to have been back here. And we can't wait till our next trip, which may be in November. Stay tuned.
That's right. And we're going to link to our playlist. If you missed any of our Disney videos, just hit that playlist right at the end and you'll be able to watch all of them.
All right, guys. Have a good one.
Bye.